Introducing the Stanley TLM99 and Stanley Floor Plan app. The Stanley Floor Plan app allows you to easily capture the dimensions of a room with a few simple taps on your Android or iOS device. Build your floor plan using the built-in camera in your device to define the corners of your space. You can then ensure accurate measurements with the Stanley TLM99 laser distance measurer. The device's Bluetooth connectivity then syncs the final measurements with the Stanley Floor Plan app. Space planning functionality allows you to drop in electrical, plumbing, furniture, and other objects into your floor plan. At any point after creation, you can review a detailed summary of your floor plan. Export to share your plan with other Stanley Floor Plan users for free. All the dimensions you need to help you quote jobs, estimate materials, and keep your projects organized. Stanley TLM99 and Stanley Floor Plan. Accuracy just got smarter.